Hello, my dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, Refraction of Light Through a Lens. Students, in previous chapter, you learn about the refraction of light through a plane surface. Okay, plane surface means normal prism. Okay, you know it is a triangular. So here the three surfaces are plane. Similarly, through a glass slab. Okay, but here in this chapter we will learn about when the surface is spherical, not plane. Okay, suppose you know simply a lens is looking like this. Okay, so here the surface is spherical both side, so that's why you can say it curved surface or curved curved or spherical. So when light ray pass through a curved or spherical surface, then how ray diagram happens, means how the light ray will deviates, that all we will learn about in this chapter. Okay, so once again I am repeating, the chapter is refraction of light through a lens, and refraction of light through plane surface already you know, you learn. So students, here just the this lecture is just basic. What is the definition of lens, what is the types of lens, and what is the action of lens, that this two three simple thing I will explain. And this lecture just only I am explaining the things, you need to read the book to understand it properly. So now kind of lenses, you know, this spherical lens is two type. Okay, so curved or spherical lens is two type. One is known as convex. These types of lens is called convex, or it is called converging lens. Okay, convex lens also known as converging. Converging. Okay, another one is this type, which is called concave or diverging. Okay, so what is converging and what is diverging, you know, when light ray fall on this lens, it will immediately meet in the next side, opposite side, it will meet in a certain point. Okay, that's why converging means all light ray fall and they will just come together at a single meet at a single point. That's why this is called converging. Students, you learn mirror in previous class. I explain previous year also, I explain about the mirror, all the things, what is it in mirror, you know, it's just opposite of mirror. For a mirror that is diverging. Okay, convex mirror is diverging and concave mirror is converging. So it's just opposite of mirror, you know, these types of mirror, that is this is convex, so it is diverging like the light ray fall and go disperse away, and another one, this type is concave type, so here the light ray will fall and meet in a certain point. Okay, this is mirror. Okay, just this is for mirror. So I'm just giving you the idea, but in lens you can see convex is converging and concave is diverging. So all the difference, all the definition, I hope you will learn from the book. Once again I'm saying the definition. A lens is a transparent refractive medium bounded by either two spherical side, here two spherical side, or one spherical and another is plane. Okay, so now come to the type of mirror, sorry, type of lens. So here convex is three types, and concave also three types. How? See, first one to you already know, this is called biconvex, because both side is spherical, that's why this is called biconvex, both side is convex. Similarly, next, one side convex, another side is plane like this, so that is called, you can say, plano convex. And another one is this side is convex and concave. Okay, this is a part of concave, that's why inner side, and this is convex spherical side. Okay, so that is called concavo convex. Okay, so biconcave, biconvex, plano-convex and concavo-convex, three types. Similarly, concave also three type. You draw like this, that is called biconcave. Biconcave. Another one is plano-convex. Similarly, plano-concave. One side is concave, another side is plane. Okay, you will draw and you can check the book also. That is called plano concave, and after that convexo concave. Okay, one side is concave, another side is convex, so that's why it is called convexo concave. So students, I hope you learn the types. Okay, these three types for convex and three type for concave lens. Okay, now students, come to the action of, just I am explaining. Okay, in your book it is write properly, action of lens, how a convex and how a concave lens is acting. Okay, first we are drawing a biconvex lens. Here, see, a biconvex lens, it is a composed of mirror, prism. Okay, means a lens generally made up of a set of prisms, and how you will separate them, you can see, that is a prism. Okay, another one, a prism like this, middle, then above this side also a prism, above also a prism. You can see, we just separate the a biconvex into say different prism. Now if a light ray will fall on this lens, you can see, students, suppose this is a prism. You know, when light ray fall on the prism, here normal, so it will rarer to denser means towards the normal, denser to rarer means away from the normal. So similarly, when a light ray fall on this, you think about a small prism, we just separate the lens in different types of prism. Okay, so here and inside that is a glass slab. Okay, just glass slab, like this refraction happens. So when action of lens means when light ray fall on this lens, how refraction happens, that I am explaining. So here you can see, when light ray will fall, immediately it will move towards this side. Similarly, another prism, when it will fall, it will move. In glass slab, you know, in the, that is called principal main point, focal point. Here when a light ray will fall, it will pass through. Similarly, in this prism, that is, it will bend this way, and another prism bend. So immediately a single point, that all will meet. Okay, that all will meet in a single point. So that's why this is called converging. You can see a converging happens. Okay, so similarly, for a concave lens, just I am explaining. If you check the book, you can easily understand. It is very easy. Okay, so here the prism is like this: 1, 2, middle glass slab, here 3, 4. Now you do see, when light ray fall, it will move away. Similarly here also. Okay, prism, opposite side prism, if the prism is different, just reverse like this, it will fall, bend like this side, the light ray. Okay, so similarly here also it will fall, move this way, here also move this way, and here pass through. So here you can see, this is diverging. That is the action of lens, how lens is acting. Okay, you just check this lens, you just make this lens a set of small prism and glass slab. Then you can easily understand, because you already learned that how light ray pass through a plane surface. Okay, a glass slab or glass slab or through prism, then you can easily relate the how light ray will pass through it. Okay, similarly, so here it is action of lens here for convex and here for concave, how the action happens. I hope students up to this you understand. Now next come to the term related to the lens. So how here to learn this portion, related terms related to lens, here you need to check that how a concave lens will meet. Okay, uh, so here a concaves or convex, first come to the convex. So convex lens is acting like this way. There is two circle. Here you can see this portion is like convex. So when two circle, one side is a part of a circle, another side also part of a another circle, so that both will intersect and create a convex lens. So here now we learn how. So that is the center, this portion is part of this circle, so that is center 1, this is center 2, center 2 of a another circle. And now just same type, okay, that is called principal axis. When light ray fall through this point, it will pass directly, so this is called principal axis. Then this point is called optical center. And okay students, here one point you see, this diverging lens. So diverging lens is diverging the rays, light rays. So when you just draw a imaginary line from this rays, you can see it will see meet another point just opposite side of this lens. So it will look that from a single point that ray is diverging away, that's why that is called diverging. Okay, now move here. So optical center, that is called optical center. And that is called center of curvature. Center of curvature, you know, the lens which is a part of the circle, that center is called center of curvature. Okay, center of curvature. And I think you can understand. And optical center point of the lens. And definition, you can say that only any ray pass through this optical center is undeviated. You know, any ray pass through this is undeviated, that's why this is also known as principal axis. And principal axis, optical center, center of curvature, another one is radius of curvature. So radius is the radius of the circle of which the lens is part of, that radius is called radius of the curvature. I hope students you understand. That is for that is the convex lens. And for concave, when two circle, you can see besides here, you can see that is a act like a concave, this portion middle, that is optical center, principal axis. Okay, as usual, optical center, that is optical center, principal axis, that is C1, C2, and that is R1, means R means radius of the curvature. Okay, so basically these three term is present in your book, that radius of curvature and optical center and principal axis and radius of curvature. I think you learned the term related to the lens here. Next video I will explain about the ray diagram. Okay, rules and ray diagram. Everybody must read the book. Okay, thank you.